First, let's create an empty Word document. Press the Insert tab, then select Chart. From the list, select the type of graph you want to create. For this tutorial, we will use a column 3D cluster graph. First, change the name for each chart cluster on the table as follows. On the top, change the series text to set your own agenda. To set the column's values for each bar, change it from left to right. As you can see, when you change the input values, the chart range will adjust accordingly. Double-click the chart title to change it to your own. To edit the chart's values again, right-click it and select Edit Data. Under the Design tab, you can also change the style of your chart. All done. Please subscribe.